Hey guys, now that we've went over the different cornstick pans, we're going to take and put them to use. Right now they are in the oven getting up to 400 degrees, so I'll preheat those up in there while I finish the mix. I have made 2 boxes of the Jiffy, added a little bit extra to it, and I'm going to make 2 batches. I'm going to use this so I can take and pour it into the tea size since it's so small. I don't want to make a huge mess. And then this is going to be my special mix, which I'm going to put in the, I believe in the 7L. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring to it so it kind of sticks out from the other stuff so the girls don't get a surprise when they take a bite out of one. But once we get this preheated, we'll get it poured and see how they turn out. All right, guys, we're going to start with the big one first. We're going to first spray it with a little canola spray because we don't want it to stick. And this is how it turned out. So I'm going to take it, pour it in here, and we'll get started. All right, guys, there they are. I kind of overfilled them a little bit, but we'll see how it pops out in the oven. Had to add a little bit there. If I would have done it right, probably would have filled it just perfect. All right, we'll do the little guy next. I'm going to see if I can get this to come out without having to use the spatula, but I can hear it sizzle. We'll have to clean it up some. Just go back and forth. Alright. Get that done, so we'll take in, go along, clean that edge. Clean that edge. Clean that one. And that one. And this one just kind of overfilled, so it's going to be a mess. So we'll see how this little one turns out. Alright, I put the last of the one that was in the Pyrex bowl in there. And then we'll fill this up. This is the 7SS. I got this one filled up. Now it's time for it to go in the oven. Alright, now we'll do the 5S. Alright, well, I scraped everything I could out of all the containers, and I only got 4 of the 5 filled, so we'll toss it in there and let them cook, see how everything comes out. Should take it about 15-16 minutes. Alright, guys, the camera did not start when it was supposed to a while ago, so now I'm going to go back and show you what the little ones look like. Everything came out perfect. They're a little darker than I wanted. I only left them in there 7 minutes. Maybe I could have done with 6 and worked better. I knew it was going to be a shorter time because they're so small, but man, they just came right out, no problem at all. All I did is wipe this out with one of the t-shirts. Everything came out perfect. Now we're waiting on the other ones, and hopefully the camera works right. All right, guys, we took and turned this one upside down. I had to cut around some of the stuff that was extra. So let's lift this thing up and see how it's going to stick, if I can get my fingers under it. Flip it over. Got one that came loose. Cool. We'll have to get the other ones out. Alright, guys, I'm not sure why this one stuck more than usual, because usually they just pop right out. Maybe I didn't get it hot enough when I poured the batter in. But it's coming out, just having to pull it out. So I'll have a little bit of cleaning to do, but on these it's not a big deal. Alright, guys, this is the last one, the 7. Dump that out. Add a little bit stick, not much at all. That'll clean out easy. Now, while we have these here, let's pull out one of these. And then we'll take one of these. And one of these. And you'll see the difference in size between the 7T, the 7, and the 7L. And there you go. Hope everybody has a great day.